Rowan is having a massive tantrum because he wants to put his wellies on and go outside. However, it is absolutely pissing down with rain. He keeps handing me his wellies. Keeps handing me his wellies. What's wrong? What's wrong? You want your shoes on to go outside? Do you? No, it's raining. It's raining though. Oh. Do you know what? We can go outside. If you want to go outside that badly, do you know what he's doing? Sitting on my lap. He's sat up here so that I can put his shoes on, because I always sit on my lap to put his shoes on so he can go outside. So go outside. Just put your waterproofs on then. I will never begrudge my child wanting to go out. I'm embracing it in full waterproofs. We need to go up and do the horses anyway, so we're going to walk up. Walk up and do the horses. I'm right on, I'm coming. Cheers, Lowen. As long as he's happy, I'm happy. Are you singing? Are you happy? Lily, look at Mama. Are you happy, boy? Loves it, don't you? Right. I'm loving it too. Loving the rain. I'm gonna walk past these puddles quickly, otherwise he'll want to get out and puddle. But we're gonna walk to the horses and he can play after. Mama boys. Boy, yeah. You singing? You singing? Oh, look at Nia in that puddle. Here we are, up at the horses. So cute. You guys all warm enough? It's actually not cold. Bella's got a rug on because she's thoroughbred Arab, so she's got a really fine coat. And if anyone's going to feel the cold, it's going to be Bella. Oh my goodness, Trixie, you look like you've lost a dress size because your coat's gone flat and beautiful. Hey, beautiful girl. Hey, beautiful boy. The vet checked his eyes yesterday as well. They're happy. He doesn't reckon there's any signs of the cancer back. I've lost my child. Oh, no, he's right next to Bella. Will you run into me? So cute. Who's this little person? Sanjak. Do not push him over, dickheads. Oh my god. Little person. Horsey legs. Come here. Not behind them. You know the rules. Oh, for God's sake. I'm not having a paddy about you not going behind horses, Lowen. For goodness sake. No one wants to hear that noise. Who's that? I know you want to say hello to them. I'm just saying be careful, that's all. Who's that? You giving him kisses? Love Jack. Careful. Hi Trixie. Mwah. Do you love them so much? Do you love them? Bless you. Hi little girl. She is so sweet. Do you love her? Oh, you too. Bella. You love him. Good girl. Oh, Lowen's getting all excited. We haven't said hello to Ginny. This way. Hi, Gin. Ah, mwah. You're so cute. Oh my goodness, they're all trying to eat Lolo. They're all trying to eat you. Right, you're not shaking, you're not cold. Don't rub on him, he's not a... Oh. Bella, you love him. Come in. Come to mummy. Oh. Right. Good girl. Indy, leave her! Bella's now chasing.
Indy.
Oh no, you're a good boy. Watch her. Look, she's going to get her. Bella's going to get Indy. Right. You're all done. Beautiful girl. Getting eaten by horses.
Oh.
Here we are. She's trying to eat you. Right, should we go home? Ah, it's so beautiful. Mwah. Is everyone getting kisses today? No one's in such a good mood. Right, you're all fine. None of you are shaking. None of you are cold. Just leave the baby alone. Bella, stop! You've been overprotective over your Lowen. She doesn't want anyone else to say hello. She's telling everyone to go away. She's saying go away. Jack, you're not shaking, are you? Just check in a minute. No, it's not that cold. It's lovely. It's a lovely day. So cute. Right. Love you all. See you later. We're going home now. Long walk home. Good enough of the rain? Has he hell? It's raining, it's pouring. Goodbye. Do you know how heavy you are? Do you know how heavy you are? Part and parcel of having horses. I wanted rain. I quite like rain. I don't mind the rain when there's no wind. Like today it's actually nice because although it's raining, it's not windy. And the horses would tend to get cold if they get wet, and then the wind gives them like a chill. But we've got no wind. It's actually quite warm. I mean, I'm roasting and I've got waterproof on. We've just walked, but if they get cold, they can run around and lose some weight, can't they? Oh gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Right, get in your car. Get down. In your car. Let's go. Go on then. Let's go home. Alright. Please keep all arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Fresh. So we're on the way home now. We're going to walk home. See you later. On the way home again. It's bad on the way home. It's mostly downhill. know it's raining, but you can still appreciate a beautiful view, can't you? Absolutely love it. So I live just there, so the stables are. Oh, car. Hang on a minute. But Fun Lowen absolutely loves this car. It's like the best thing we've ever brought. Like, he doesn't want to get out of it. Doesn't even want to splash in puddles. Do you? I'm gonna let it go. Hello. Oh no! They keep rolling, 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 rolling. Oh, now we're out. I gotta get your car, hang on. Good girl indeed. It's like the best life. Count your blessings. Oh, happy? Should I get back in? No? Should we get back in? No. It's rained a bit, Lolo, so it's very deep now. He has already had one bath today. So we went out this morning. Oh my god, that's deep. Oh. Quick. Oh dear. Stand up. Come on, out of the bottle. Careful. No, that's enough now. Alan's coming down the hill. Out of the way is the car. Good boy. Oh, man down. Man down. You're so disgustingly dirty.